In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create and manage blog tags in HubSpot step by step. If you're running a content strategy inside HubSpot, organizing your blog posts properly with tags is essential for SEO, user experience, and content structure. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create new tags, assign them to posts, and manage existing tags the right way. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another HubSpot tutorial. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to your blog settings. Log into your HubSpot account and go to the top navigation menu. Click on Marketing, then hover over Website and select Blog. If you manage multiple blogs inside HubSpot, make sure you select the correct blog from the drop-down menu. Once you're inside the blog dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Tags. This is where all your existing blog tags are stored and managed. Now let's create a new blog tag. In the top right corner, click on Create Tag. A panel will appear where you'll need to fill in a few details. First, enter the tag name. This is the name that your readers will see on your website, so make it clear and relevant to your content topics. Next, you'll see the slug field. This is the URL segment for that tag page. HubSpot usually auto-generates this based on your tag name, but you can customize it if needed. Make sure it's clean, lowercase, and SEO-friendly. Then you have the description field, which is optional but highly recommended. Adding a short description helps with SEO and gives context to both readers and search engines about what the tag covers. Once you've filled everything out, click Save. Your new tag is now created and ready to use. Next, let's assign tags to a blog post. Open any existing blog post or create a new one. Inside the blog editor, look at the right-hand sidebar. You'll find a section labeled Tags. Click into that field and either search for an existing tag or type a new tag name to create one directly from the blog editor. HubSpot makes it easy to add multiple tags, so you can assign one or more depending on the topics covered in your article. Once you've added your tags, click Update or Publish to save the changes. That's it. Your blog post is now properly categorized with tags. Now let's talk about managing existing tags. Go back to Marketing, Website, Blog, and then click on Tags in the left sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of all your tags along with the number of posts associated with each one. This is extremely helpful for auditing your content structure. If you click on a tag, you can edit the tag name, update the description, or change the URL slug if needed. You also have the option to merge tags. This is useful if you accidentally created similar tags and want to consolidate them for better organization and SEO consistency. Additionally, you can delete tags that you no longer need. Just keep in mind that removing a tag will affect any posts currently using it. Always double-check before making major changes. Proper tag management keeps your blog organized, improves internal linking opportunities, and helps readers discover related content more easily. When used strategically, tags can strengthen your overall content marketing performance inside HubSpot. And that's how you create and manage blog tags in HubSpot step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, marketing tips, and software how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.